Learn Tonga or Xitonga. Part 1. In this episode, we're going to learn about introduction, how to introduce yourself in Tonga. So, if you want to ask what someone's name is, you simply say Ndiweni Hinayago. Ndiweni Hinayago, meaning what is your name? Ndiwe is you or it's you, but in this case is you. Ihina, it's name. Ihina, it's name. And then Yago is you, yours, or your. So when you put them together, they translate to what is your name? Ndiweni Hinayago. And if you want to be polite and respectful, you would say Ndinweba ni Hinayenu. Ndinweba ni Hinayenu, which means the same thing. What is your name? And this is how you respond. You simply say Ihina yangu ndimebenzo. Ihina yangu ndimebenzo, meaning my name is Benzo. And if you want to ask how old someone is, you simply say Ulamiaga Hyongaye. Ulamiaga Hyongaye. Miaka is years. Hyongaye is how many or how much. So when you put them together, it means how old are you? And if you want to be more polite, you would say Mulamiaga Hyongaye. Mulamiaga Hyongaye, which means the same thing. How old are you? And if you want to respond, you would say Ndilamiaga hili 27. Ndilamiaga hili 27, meaning I am 27 years old. I am 27 years old. Next is how to ask where someone lives or stays. You simply say Ukalaguli. Ukalaguli, which means where do you live or stay. Ukala is to stay or live. In other cases, it would mean to sit, but in this case, it means stay or live. And then Wuli means where. Wuli means where. When you put the words together, it means where do you stay or live. And again, if you want to be more polite or respectful, you would say Mukalaguli. Mukalaguli, which means the same thing. Where do you stay? And this is how you respond. You would say Ndikalagu Roads Park. Ndikalagu Roads Park, which means I stay at or in Roads Park. I stay in Roads Park. Next is how to ask what kind of work someone does or where they work. You simply say Ubelega mulimonzi. Ubelega mulimonzi. Mulimo is work. Nzi is what. So when you put them together, they translate to what kind of work do you do? Or if you want to be polite, you would say Mubelega mulimonzi. Mubelega mulimonzi, which means the same thing. What kind of work do you do? And this is how you would respond. You will say Ndibelega nchito ya budokta. Ndibelega nchito ya budokta, meaning I work as a doctor. The other way to ask would be Ubelegaguli, or to be polite, you say Mubelegaguli, which means where do you work? And then you would say, or you would respond as Ndibelegagu jibadela. Ndibelegagu jibadela. Jibadela is hospital. So this would mean I work at a hospital. So before this video ends, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Number 1, Ndiweni Hinayago. Number 2, Ulamiaga Hyongaye. Number 3, Ukalaguli. Number 4, Ubelegaguli or Ubelegamuli Monzi. Please drop the answers in the comment section and watch out for more videos. Thanks for watching.